I fired up my truck, and you're going to see right here on the bottom right, you're going to see the check engine light. And I hit the key, and there it goes. So now it's running, normally. Uh, and I kept running it and running it. Now this was after I had started it up, driven it over to the front of the house, and then I left it there for a little bit, and then it just stopped. And then, so I moved it back to where it originally was, and this is what you're seeing right now. Now I stopped it right there, and notice the check engine light, when I turned the key to the, it didn't show up, and it's not starting. So here we go. Try it again. No check engine light. Now, you know, try it again. Nothing. So there it goes. No check engine light. So it stayed like that, and I can't, it just won't fire up. So everything else is showing up on the instrument panel, and there it goes. It just that check engine light just doesn't show up when you turn the key, and it's not starting. Uh, so I did it a couple of times, and then I left it there, for a bit, and I came back and tried it again. Nothing. So now the check engine light, and then there it goes. It fires up again. So I mean, it's intermittent, or it just started doing that, and that's kind of weird. So what I did is I just stopped, checked all the fuses, and now what I did is I changed all the PCM uh, uh, fuses, put brand new ones on, and then I swapped uh, 31, 32, and 33 on this 2000 F350, and 31 is a PCM, 32 is a blower motor, and 33 is the air conditioner. So what I did is I just swapped the air conditioner and the PCM, and everything's normal. And it was cold, and I hadn't used the air conditioner. I didn't know what to expect, so I went ahead and replaced the fuel pump, and I put a new fuel pump on it. And then when I got warmer, I turned the air conditioner on, and it didn't work. And so, oh boy, it's that relay. And sure enough, it was a relay. Once I got a new relay and plugged it into 33, then the AC started working. So if you have this much mileage, actually at 100,000 miles, you should go off and change all the fuses, put brand new ones in, and change all the relays and put brand new ones in. And you probably need to do that every 100,000 miles, and not wait until this happens.